Is this wait really worth it? We are at Legoland Florida today, and we are doing something we've never done, and that is the new pirate boat ride that you actually go onto a lake. So if you're 5 and under, you gotta wear a life vest. So let's go see this 70-minute long line, the longest wait in the whole entire park. Let's go see if it's actually worth it. So the ride is called the Pirate River Quest, and it actually goes around Lake Eloise in Winter Haven, Florida, and it has a little pirate adventure. And you're actually on a boat that drives, and you're on a lake, so that's why you have to wear a life vest if you're 5 and under, or 6 and under, sorry. 6 and under, you have to wear a life vest, so yeah. And if you don't know how to swim, you might want to wear a life vest too, just in case, because things can happen. You're actually on an actual lake, so yeah, I'm ready for this, because we haven't done this yet, and every time we come, we just either forget that it's back here, or it's closed, because it closes early before the rest of the park. I think it closes from 11 to 4 today is the operating hours of this ride. So it's not open like the other rides in the park. So if the park closes at 6, usually closes about 2 hours before the park closes.
All right, pirates are
Made it on the boat.
Let me hear a good pirate. Arr.
Arr.
Ahoy, shipmates! My name's Captain Redbeard. I'd like to thank you for joining me on this quest. Now, I need your help, as I've been cursed by the monkey tribe and banished to a mysterious place called the Sea of Lost Bricks. Then, those cheeky monkeys stole all my treasure. Now, legend has it that the only way to lift the curse, so I can get back to Legoland, is for you, my pirate crew, to find and count my stolen treasure.
Treasure? Find it, count it, lift the curse?
That's right, Popsy. Popsy the parrot is on the front of the boat. Popsy will help us by being my eyes and ears.
Captain Redbeard, eyes and ears?
Oh, and be warned. The monkey tribe are about, and they'll be up to no good. Watch out for their monkey spies. Now, crew, we need to find my fellow pirate, Calico Jade. She's bringing her ship to help find and count the treasure so we can lift the curse. Me hearties, remember this verse. Find the treasure and lift the curse. Ha-ha! It's good, isn't it?
Rubbish, poem?
Behave yourself, Popsy. Let's keep a lookout for Calico Jade's ship.
Oh no, there's a ship.
Shiver me timbers! Surprise monkey attack! They've sunk Calico Jade's ship. Oh, and 4 old scallywags stuck in the crow's nest. Come on, crew. We need to help Calico Jade. Are you with me?
Aye, Captain.
Oh.
Let's teach those pesky monkeys a lesson. Load cannon!
Load cannon!
Count down with me, crew. Ready, aim, fire! Oh, missed. Load cannon!
Load cannon!
Ready, aim, fire! Oh, missed again.
We're not very good pirates.
Calico Jade. Sorry about your ship.
I'll find me another. Good luck, Redbeard.
Now, we need to find and count my stuff. Keep your arms, legs, beards, wooden legs out of the water. Those gators can get a bit snappy, especially if you wake them up from a deep sleep. Now, you need to find and count the blue sapphires.
Find and count the blue sapphires.
Shh, not a sound. There'll be gators about.
Oh no. There's a gator.
Keep quiet, me hearties. Don't wake the gators. There's a blue sapphire. How many blue sapphires did you count? Popsy, how many blue sapphires were there?
9.
Oh,
9 blue sapphires.
Nine, you say? Did you count them all, crew? I
Yes.
bet you did. Now, onwards we sail. Ahoy, me hearties, remember this verse. Find
I
the
know.
treasure and lift the curse. Ha ha!
I can't handle that song.
Ah, bird song. Sleepy time.
Well spotted, Popsy. Now listen up, crew. We're heading towards a land full of beautiful birds. But beware, legend has it that the bird song of these beautiful birds can make you fall into a beautiful sleep. Now, you need to find and count my pretty pink diamonds. See if you can find
2,
all
3,
12
4.
diamonds. Good luck.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I found them all. Yay!
Keep a lookout for my treasure. Count the pink diamonds. Oh, and remember, don't listen to the beautiful bird song.
What am I supposed to listen to?
It'll only make you fall like...
Wake up, Redbeard.
Huh? Sink me if I didn't just fall asleep. Did you find the 12 diamonds?
We did.
I bet you did.
Huh? Skeleton Valley?
That's right, Popsy. We're sailing to Skeleton Valley. It's called Skeleton Valley because it's full of skeletons. Now, the best way to get past these skeletons is to fool them into thinking you're a skeleton. And you do that by pulling a skeleton face. Boat Captain, show us your skeleton face. Everyone pull the skeleton face. Now get ready to find and count
That's a
my
skeleton
red
face.
rubies.
I know.
Pirates. Let's tell them a joke.
We love telling jokes.
Here's one. Did you hear about the pirate boxer? He had a great left hook.
I've got one. How much did the pirate pay to get his ears pierced? $1, an ear.
There's some good dad jokes
You'll
right here.
never find your treasure. Go monkeys, go monkeys, go monkeys.
Some good dad jokes.
Oh, skeletons are not as scary as I thought. They're a bit rude, but not very funny. Anyway, how many rubies did you find?
Oh no, I was listening to the dad
rubies?
jokes.
16? Good work, crew. Now find and count my green emeralds and gold coins.
Oh geez, I have to count 2 things now?
Well, blow me down to eat the old shipmate Cord. He's one of the Buccaneer brothers. Is that you, Captain Redbeard? Indeed it is. Sorry to see you being eaten by a plant.
Not to worry, Captain. He'll spit me out soon. Bye-bye.
Right, crew. There were 13 green emeralds,
Yeah.
20 gold coins.
Exactly what I was going to
Well
say.
done if you counted
what I
them
was gonna
all.
say.
Creepy crawlies.
Oh, hog swallow.
Oh no, it's
I
spiders.
don't like creepy crawlies.
Spiders.
Legend says that the way to scare away creepy crawlies is to make a noise like this. Let's all give it a try.
Okay.
Keep counting the treasure. There's my old first
Oh, no,
mate
they're giant
stuck in that
spiders.
web.
I'm in a bit of a sticky situation, Captain.
Make this noise to keep the spiders away.
Oh no.
Don't do that. It makes them angry.
Does it? Then
Oh.
don't do it.
Oh
Good luck,
no.
matey.
Oh no.
How much treasure was with the crazy crow?
Huh?
Gold coin?
Oh, well.
'Cause he told us to stop.
True if you found all those.
He told us it made him angry.
The monkey slave stole 3 golden bricks from me. We need to find these golden bricks, or the curse will never be lifted.
Oh no.
Look out for 4 letters. Legend says you must arrange the letters
R-E.
to spell out where you'll find the first golden brick.
I'm pretty sure it
We
spells
need
out
to
tree.
find the 4 letters.
I wonder where they
Did
could
you
be.
find the letters? What did they spell?
Tree.
E-T-R-E spells tree.
That's right. It spells tree. So we'll find the first golden brick in a tree. Good luck with that. This place is full of trees.
It is full of trees. This used to be Cypress
Shiver me
Gardens.
timbers! You found the monkey tribe's hideaway! Ha ha! Well done, crew!
Yay.
Now, where's that first golden brick?
I have no idea.
There's Calico Jade again! Showing that cheeky monkey a bit
There's
of
the golden
fancy
brick.
swordplay!
Right
Come
up
on,
there
crew!
in that tree.
Give her a big cheer!
Yay.
Hooray!
Hooray, Captain
Let's
J.
give those monkeys a fright! Load cannon!
Load cannon.
Ready! Aim! Fire! Upward!
Ah,
I wonder how many pieces
There's
of
the
treasure
golden-
there was.
golden brick. See the golden brick?
Coin and lots of treasure.
And you found the first golden brick. We need to find 2
Huh?
more.
Yep. The lake does not smell very good today.
Sea monster.
Sea monster? It's a
Yep.
kraken.
I see the golden brick.
Blow me down. The legend of the kraken is true. Batten down the hatches. We need a whole wind to get past the kraken. Steer the ship safe and
What?
true, boat captain.
One.
Keep a lookout for that second golden brick.
There it is in the arms of the Kraken.
We're getting past the kraken. We survived.
Yay.
Well
We're
sailed,
alive.
crew.
Kraken had the golden brick.
Indeed it did. You know what? I wonder if that kraken was trying to help us. Maybe they were keeping the golden brick away from the monkey tribe.
I wonder if we need to find the
Yes.
golden brick or
We'll
get the
never
golden
know.
brick. Because we don't have any of the golden bricks right now.
Onwards we sail. Right, crew. To lift the curse and get me back home, we need to find 1 more golden brick.
One more. Oh, I see it. Right down there. There's a little baby gator. Hopefully the mama's not here.
Hey, stop standing. Guys, stop standing. I can't see it.
He's so cute. So cute.
Climb to the top of the crow's nest and keep a lookout.
Mason.
Oh, hang on. We haven't got a crow's nest. Never mind. Now, if you see it, shout out. Ahoy! Golden brick! Let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3.
Ahoy, golden brick. Oh, there it is. Ahoy, golden brick.
Golden brick.
We found it.
Ah! You did it! You found the last golden brick!
We did it.
Oh, well done, crew. The curse is sure to be lifted.
Wow, that's very far.
Wait! Something strange is happening.
Why is there houses?
This feels
Because they live here.
I think the curse
What?
the monkey tribe put on me is lifting!
Yay.
You did it, crew!
We did it.
Coming home! Hooray! Florida's first tourist attraction. It all started here in the year
1936.
I was about to say 1936. Oh, hold your beat, Potsy. Let the crew feel the wind in their face. Come enjoy the open water, a wildlife, and the tropical wonderland that is Cypress Gardens.
Yes, this is a kiss ride.
Is that a log? Yeah.
What?
Yeah, just a stick.
Ahoy, shipmates! I'm back!
We made it.
It's me, Captain Redbeard! Give me a wave!
Hello,
You did
Captain
it.
Redbeard.
You defeated the monkey tribe, lifted the curse, brought me back from the sea of lost bricks, and found all my stolen treasure. And here it is! And for that, I thank you. Ahoy, me hearties, remember this verse. You found the treasure and lifted the curse! Ha ha!
Yay. We did it.
Pirates, in helping to find my stolen treasure, that I have a surprise for you. Your empty
Goodness.
treasure chest is now full of treasure!
Yay.
Well done, crew!
We did it.
This calls for a celebration.
Okay, we're back on land from the ride. Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Yes. Did you guys enjoy it?
Get the treasure. I don't.
They're very
did they do
confused on how
magic?
they got the treasure inside the box that they looked at, and it was empty at the beginning of the ride, and at the end of the ride, there was treasure in it. So they were like, how did they get that in there? Magic. Redbeard said he was putting it in there. So that's how he got in there.
No,
But-
I think the circle,
what?
right? I think he pushed the button and that went up.
Oh, I know how he did it, but I'm not going to tell you because it's magic.
No, tell me.
No, I will later. When you're older. When you're older. But it was a really fun ride. I liked it a lot. Definitely worth the wait if you want to ride it because it's a very long ride. It's like 20 minutes long. We got to see a baby alligator. That was really cute. We got to see some turtles. So, and they weren't fake. They were real alligators and turtles. So they weren't Lego alligators and turtles. Real alligators and turtles. And then a little baby one. I was like, where the heck is the mama? If there's a baby, there's a mama somewhere. But we did not see the mama. But it was really fun. I really enjoyed it. I think it is definitely worth the wait, especially for a experience you can't really get anywhere else at a theme park. Going on an actual lake into the water. They used to actually have a dinner cruise when it was Legoland back in the day in that area. They used to have a dinner cruise that you could pay for, and they would feed you food on a little boat back there. But yeah, it was really fun. So we'll see you guys later. Remember to love yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.